Good morning, everyone. Shubha Vijaya, all of you. Hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Yes, good morning. Shubha Vijaya, everyone. Okay, so let's start your science class, and this is about your 7th chapter, which we already started, our plant world. Okay, so here in this chapter we already learned about the big plants and small plants, right? I'm fine, Antara. So everyone open the page number 29. Page number 29, our plant world. And this chapter, as we already started, and we already learned about big plants, and that is trees. Big plant is trees. And the examples of those trees you know, right? Banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. So those all are we call the trees, as they have the strong stem. They have the strong stem. They are very strong, you know. They are very strong. And the small plants, they are very they are small as in height. So first of all we learned about the shrubs, right? We learned about shrubs. So those small plants, in the small plants, first of all we learned shrubs. And you know, the small and strong plants are called shrubs, and their examples are those rose, hibiscus, tulsi, rose, hibiscus, and tulsi. And the next one which we learned, that is herbs. And the herbs, the example of herbs, have you remembered it? Examples of herbs, that is sunflower and wheat. Those things we already discussed previous the vacations, puja vacations, right? Hope you all enjoy these puja vacations. Yes, very good, Zareen. That is wheat and sunflower. Those two things, just remember about those two, about name of those two herbs, and that is smaller than shrubs, and they have very weak green stem. Their stem color is green, you know. The stem color of tree is brown. You can see outside of your house, if there is neem tree, mango tree, banyan tree, ashwatha tree, so you can check this, their stem color is brown. But those herbs like wheat, sunflower, rice tree, so those paddy plants, their stem looking like green, right? So they are very weak also, so we call them herbs. And the next is climbers, and you have to know that is very interesting. And the one of example I just gave you, that is money plant. If you saw this plant, money plant tree, that is, you can understand very well about the definition of climbers, because some plants cannot grow straight. Climbers, I'm right here. Some plants, you know, cannot stand straight, cannot grow straight. They need some help of other trees or a wall or stick or any other things to grow up, So that's why we called them climbers. So if I ask you what is climbers, what will be your answer? Your answer will be, tell me, some plants cannot grow straight. You have to write it in full sentence, okay? Some plants cannot grow straight on their own. They need support of wall, of stick or other trees, other plants to climb up. So that's why we call them climbers. You have to remember this, okay? And the examples are pea tree, money plant tree. Pea tree and money plant tree, okay? But there are also one examples about the small plants, that is creepers. So here you have to know what are creepers. So yes, very good, Mafizud. Arushi, Sharanya, Zareen, very good everyone. So now go for the creepers. So first of the question is, what are creepers? So some plants have very weak stem, as we already learned that herbs also weak stem, but they can stand straight on their own, okay? But next is we learned climbers. They have also very weak stem. They cannot stand straight by their own, but they need help. They need help of something to climb up. But here also some types of plants, they have very weak stem, but they didn't need any kind of support. They don't need any kind of support to grow, because they can grow along the ground. So those are called the creepers. So some plants have very weak stem. They can grow along the ground. So those are called creepers. And you know, Anshika, which side? Can you see the board, Anshika? I am right here at first about the creepers. See here. Hope you see this board side of the board, creepers, and the examples are watermelon. We eat the fruit watermelon in the summer season, right? We eat this fruit summer season, that is watermelon, and that is the example of creepers. So you have to remember their definitions with examples, okay everyone? Because there are many types of plants which we can see outside of our house and a neighborhood area. So their trees are very easy to remember, because we know about this mango tree, banyan tree, neem tree, and they have very strong stem, and they have the brown sorry they have the brown colored stem, and that is very strong, so we can remember them easily. And next others are the examples of small plants, because they are not very long as like tree, but some of them can stand straight like shrubs and herbs. Shrubs also can stand straight. You can see their examples are rose, hibiscus, tulsi. Those the example of the shrubs. You can see this, and the herbs you can also see they are smaller than shrubs, but they can stand straight on their own. So their example, wheat and sunflower. And there are also the small trees are climbers. They cannot stand straight on their own. So their examples are pea tree, money plant tree, and the others are the creepers. Creepers, they cannot stand straight also by their own, but they don't need any support. They can grow along the ground. So they are the watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, very good, Zarin. Yes, very good. You have to revise this, remember this. And see this, different places have different types of plants. And obviously you have to know this, you have to remember this, that some plants grow in the hills. And you know those plants only grow in the hill area. They cannot grow in our area because we do not live in the hill area, right? We live in the plain side. Our land and our ground are all plain. There are nothing hill area. So some plants grow in the hills like pine tree, and you know some plants grow in the water. And if you see in the village area or any kind of pond, or you can see the river also. So in the pond we can see the lotus, the flower lotus. Hope you all see this, right? Response me if you all see the lotus. So lotus, we can see them in the pond, and the water lily also, water hyacinth also. There are many examples, but you have to remember. Very good. So you have to remember only lotus. Okay. So lotus grow in water, and the one plant you know that is those plants can grow in the desert only. And you know we can see the desert area only in the Rajasthan, right? So those plants, if we go there, we can see those plants in the desert, and that is cactus. That is cactus. Okay, I am erasing these small plants, and hope you all understand about the small plants, right? So hill, some plants grow in hills area. Just copy those things from the board. Everyone copy those things from the board. So from the some plants live in the hill, grow in the hill. So the example is pine. I am giving here only one example, and everyone copy this. Yes, hill, that is pine. Okay, P-I-N-E, P-I-N-E. And there are also some examples about water, that is lotus. And the next, desert. In the desert area we can see that is cactus, C-A-C-T-U-S, cactus. Okay. And here see, everyone copy this. See the book, parts of a plant, parts of a plant. Trees, shrubs, herbs are plants, as you know. Like our body parts, they have also different parts. We have many parts in our body, right? We learned this. And those plants also have the different parts of their body. And their name of those parts are stem, root, flower, fruits and leaves. So those main things are the main body parts of the tree, and we can call them external body parts also. So they are roots, stem, flower, fruit and leaves. Okay. And you have to read this chapter 31 because different plants have the different types of leaves, you know, because some leaves are in big size, some leaves are small in size, and some color is green, some color is yellow, but mostly green color leaves we can see. Okay, only green color leaves. And about the flowers, you know, we can see the different types of flowers, those flower plants, right? And they have the so much color, so colors are very bright. And those fruits, we already learned about fruit, mango fruit, apple fruit, banana fruit. So those fruits are also formed for flowers. Okay, and they have also the different types of fruits in different trees. From different trees we can get this. And you know, fruits have seeds. Fruits, when we eat fruits, under inside those fruits we get seeds, and some fruits have one seed, some fruits has two seeds, and some fruit has many seeds. So here in this fruits part, you know, that you have to remember that one fruit like mango has one seed, right? And papaya and pea tree, already you learned in the climbers, pea tree, those fruit have many seeds. Okay. And the one thing that is very important, that the baby plant comes out of seed when we get water, air and sunlight, because that is very important for any kind of everyone, did you copy this? Did you copy the board? That is very important, which I write here, right on the board. So I am now erasing it, okay? I am now erasing it. Okay. So you know, baby plant, when it comes out of seed, it gets water, air and sunlight. Water, air and sunlight. Those three things are very important for the plant. Yes, very good, Anshika. Very good. So we completed this chapter, our plant world. And from this chapter we learnt about the big plants like trees, and I hope you all remember those examples, and the small plants of those shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, and their examples are all which I already gave you. And the parts of plants, like we have many body parts, and they have those plants also have many parts, and their names are roots, stem, flower, fruits and leaves. And those leaves color are mostly green, and you know, flowers are different in colors, fruits are also, you know, their names. And some fruits have one seed, some fruits have two seeds, and some fruits have many seeds. So which we already learned. So we completed this, and those exercise part you have to do as your homework. Okay everyone. So at the page number 32 and 33 you can do this at your home. You can try those answers, question answers alike as homework. Okay. So do this and have a nice day, and that's all. Bye everyone. Do your homework very attentively, obviously at your copy book.